Bonnie, happy Thursday! Oh my goodness, check it out. I got a box from Bath & Body Works. This is the Headless Madam. So I guess the official names of these are the Headless Gentleman, although a lot of people are calling them the Butler and the Maid, and the Headless Madam. Oh my gosh, these pieces are amazing for Halloween. So I ordered the Madam, and it's the only thing I ordered from Bath & Body Works. I didn't order anything else, so I'm hoping it's okay. So I haven't even looked at it yet. I'm opening this up on camera right now. You know what? They didn't put it in styrofoam. It's so interesting. I don't understand why some of these pieces are being packed in styrofoam. So my crystal skull came in its own box in the styrofoam. It was perfect. This one came in bubble wrap. So I think it's fine. I'm actually not worried. This one is okay because it had its own box. However, if I had ordered a candle or something heavy, I'm worried that this top ruffle would have gotten broken. So I'm not exactly sure what's going on with the packing. Where did I put my scissors? Here they are. For Bath & Body Works, because, I mean, if they ship these and they break, they just have to reimburse or ship again. Ready? Big reveal here. Okay, so it was wrapped in bubble wrap. Check that out. And then it was in this baggie kind of thing. It's just like literally a plastic bag. So like I said, if they had wrapped this with other stuff, I would have been really worried. But check it out. It is actually perfect. There are no chips. There are no nicks. I got a perfect one. I'm actually really excited about this. So, good news there. I am so glad that I ordered this as a separate product. Because like I said, if they had put a candle in there, I don't know what would have happened. So, I really do think that this one would look really neat with Ghoul Friend. So, the Madam, well, first of all, I just showed you guys the Gentleman last night has the bow tie, and then the Madam has this really neat, like white ruffle around her neck, and the butterfly emblem and the buttons. The difference between the Butler and the Madam are that this is actually like shiny, like a ceramic. Someone said that he looks a little bit uneven, like one side is slightly thinner. I'm just trying to, I think it's because what it is like he's turned slightly, so it's not totally symmetrical. But like I said, what's interesting is the back of this one, check it out, is like a shiny ceramic, where the back of the Madam, this is all this really nice, like velveteen. It's not like I said, like a super soft velvet. It's more like of a velvet. It's like a little bit rougher, but it looks amazing. So I really thought that the female would look amazing with the Ghoul Friend. I don't know, you guys. I like the Ghoul Friend. I think this is awesome. I really like the detail on this. These are $49. I am loving the butterfly, and there's like a skull. You can't see this really well because of my lights today. Crazy light outside. But there's like a skull on the brooch with the butterfly. So it's a really neat piece. When you put the two of them together, they look amazing. I really am so happy I was able to get both of these pieces. They're going to look amazing in my Halloween display. So excited. Yay! It came in one piece. I also wanted to let you guys know, I noticed online, they do have the Halloween pocket backs online. I don't know where my pocket backs went, you guys. I got everything all over the place. But check online if you're wanting to get those Ghoul Friend, Vampire Blood, and the Wicked Apple in the pocket backs, because they just showed up, I think, today. So, oh my goodness, you guys, we shall see what's going on tomorrow. I'm hoping that tomorrow, perhaps they will restock these because I know there's so many people who are interested in getting these. They're still pretty high on Mercari. You know, they're in the like $70 to $99 range, and they're, like I said, $49 retail from Bath and Body Works. So if you got one, let me know what you think, and let me know if you're still trying to find one of these. I'm still on the hunt for the hand. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys soon. Bye-bye.